To set a photo as a wallpaper on POCO X7 Pro, first of all, we need to open the Gallery app. Then we need to find and choose the photo that we wish to set as a wallpaper. Then tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner, and then choose Set as Wallpaper. If you see this information that we need to allow themes to access photos and videos, then we're gonna allow all. And there we go. Of course, we can zoom in and zoom out or move the wallpaper around in order to adjust it. We can also set it for the home screen because right now we have home screen settings. So we can select the lock screen effects and depth if the wallpaper allows you to use the depth, of course. And we're gonna press apply in the top right corner. Then we can set it for the lock screen, home screen, or for both. So I'm gonna set it for both. We can turn off carousel. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!